Welcome, aspiring developers, to this educational video on the Apex programming language. After completing this unit, you'll be able to describe the key features of Apex, save an Apex class, and call methods with Anonymous.Apex. Additionally, you'll know how to use the developer console to inspect debug logs. Exciting, right? So, what exactly is Apex? Apex is a powerful programming language with Java-like syntax, acting as database stored procedures. It allows developers to add business logic to various system events, like button clicks, record updates, and visual force pages. Let's explore some key characteristics. Apex is hosted on the Lightning platform, making it a server-side language. It's object-oriented, supporting classes, interfaces, and inheritance. Being strongly typed, Apex validates object references at compile time, guarding against runaway code in shared environments. Integrated with the database, Apex allows easy access and manipulation of records. Apex supports standard object-oriented constructs like classes, interfaces, properties, and collections. It employs object and array notation. Expressions, variables, constants, conditional, and control flow statements are all supported. Unique to Apex are features like cloud development, triggers, direct database calls, transactions, and rollbacks. It introduces the global access modifier and supports versioning of custom code. Apex is also case insensitive. Wondering where to develop and debug Apex? You can use the Salesforce extensions for Visual Studio Code on your computer or the developer console in the browser. Now let's talk about data types. Apex supports various data types, including primitives like integer, double, and string. It also has a unique data types object, representing Salesforce objects. Collections like lists, sets, and maps are also supported, along with user-defined and system-supplied Apex classes. Now let's dive into lists, which are ordered collections in Apex, synonymous with arrays. You can grow collections using the list.add method and reference elements with square bracket notation. Lastly, Apex classes offer code reuse. Their methods can be called by triggers and other classes, enhancing molecularity in your code. Ready to see this in action? That wraps up our journey into the world of Apex programming language. We've covered key features, development tools, data types, and more. Now, go ahead and explore Apex on your own. Open the developer console under your name or the quick access menu. Settings. In the developer console, click File and New. Then click Apex class and enter email manager for the class name, and then click OK. Write code in the class body of email manager. The email manager class has a public method, sendMail, that sends email and uses built-in messaging methods of the Apex class library. Also, this class has a private helper method, inspectResults, which can't be called externally because it is private but is used only within the class. This helper method inspects the results of the email send call and is called by sendMail. Click File and then Save to save your class. After that, click Debug and open Execute Anonymous window. In the window that opens, enter the code to send an email. Click Execute. You should now receive an email in your inbox. Check your email. In the developer console, click the Logs tab and double-click the most recent log in the list. Select Debug Only to filter the log so that only log lines for system.debug statements are shown. And the developer console. Find the Open tab for the Email Manager class and modify the first line of the sendMail method definition to the following. The only change is the added static keyword. Click File and then Save to save your class. Modify the statements in your Execute Anonymous window to call the static method on the class name. Click Execute. Now that this method has been executed, You can check your email, and optionally, the debug log as in the previous steps. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.